The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is finally here. And yes, it's not perfect. It was more of a small update this year, but there's still some reasons why you should buy it. So this is the top 5 reasons why you should buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Number 5, S Pen support. So as we know, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is not the only smartphone that has S Pen support, but it should be. The Galaxy S22 Ultra went the way of the Note, and it gave us the ability to store the S Pen directly inside the phone. And while that is great, and I wish the Fold 4 did the same, I can make a real argument that the S Pen is much more useful on something like the Galaxy Z Fold 4. You might be a super Galaxy Note fan that used the S Pen all the time, but from personal experience, when I had a Note, I rarely used the S Pen. And it was because the display was just still a little too small to actually use it comfortably. Well, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has that larger display, which is perfect for the S Pen. You have much more space to take notes, to draw, or simply have the precision you need with a larger display. You'll have to buy the S Pen separately, but if you're a huge S Pen user, you love to use it all the time on your smartphone, then the Fold 4 is going to take that experience to the next level. Samsung also sells their standing cover with S Pen that can actually hold the S Pen on the back, which allows you to take it with you everywhere. It's not as great as having the S Pen actually go inside your smartphone like the S22 Ultra, but it's better than nothing. And if you actually pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung is going to give it to you for free. So yeah, if you're an S Pen fan, look no further, go and pre-order the Z Fold 4. Number 4, software experience. Samsung deserves a lot of credit because they're just not simply giving us a folding phone with a larger display. No, they're adding features to One UI that actually take advantage of that larger display. For example, you have a taskbar at all times at the bottom, which allows you to quickly jump into another application or quickly just put 2 applications up at once. You could also add up to 3 applications to app pair, and with a tap, they'll come up and they're ready to go. You also have multi-view, which pushes an app to take advantage of that screen real estate. Instead of just making an application look larger, it will show menus and buttons that normally would have to be accessed with a click. It'll show it right on that main screen. Developers would have to take advantage of this feature, but Samsung is pushing these developers to do that, which in turn just makes your experience with the Fold 4 even better. And it helps you to get things done. This phone is definitely a power user's dream, and it's because of One UI and all its features that it has to help these users get things done faster. So if you're that type of person that just wants to use their phone to get everything done, this phone is something you should consider. Number 3, the inner display. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a massive 7.6-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. And this is by far the biggest display you will find on any flagship phone. Sure, the Galaxy S22 has a large display at 6.8 inches, but the extra real estate you get with the Fold 4 makes a big difference. You have more screen to play games, watch movies, videos, or even multitask. It gives you the best of what a tablet offers with the ability to slide it right into your pocket and take it with you. You're of course paying a premium for that. At $1,800, this phone isn't cheap, but you could almost consider it like buying a flagship smartphone and a flagship tablet, with the ability for that tablet to easily be brought with you, which is pretty great. If you're a larger display person and you really enjoy your smartphone having the largest display possible, then it's really a no-brainer. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is what you should look at. Number 2 is performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 may be the best performing Android phone available right now. And it's really thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor inside, which is the latest and greatest chipset from Qualcomm. And that comes paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. So this phone is going to be able to multitask, mobile game, or even get intense work done because of those internals. You're also getting 256 gigabytes of internal storage to start, which is double the starting storage of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if you pre-order, Samsung will actually double that storage to 512 gigabytes for free. This phone will also have 5G available along with Wi-Fi 6E, so you're guaranteed to be getting the fastest speeds possible with this smartphone. When it comes to battery life, the 4,400 mAh battery doesn't seem promising. I would have loved to see a larger battery inside this phone, especially because of the display size, but the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is said to be more power efficient than the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, so that's kind of one positive thing to look at. When it comes down to it, if you want the most powerful, best performing smartphone available, that's what you're looking for, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is what you should consider. It has the latest internals, enough memory to speed through tasks, and more. And number 1, Samsung deals. It seems like with each smartphone update, we're seeing small improvements, and you may think, well, it's not really worth upgrading from the phone I have, until you take a look at the deals that Samsung gives. And it almost makes buying the Z Fold 4 kind of a good deal. If you pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung is giving up to $1,000 in trade-in credit, which means the Z Fold 4 could only cost you $800 if you trade in the right phone. Samsung is giving about $700 for an iPhone 13 Pro Max, $600 for an iPhone 12 Pro Max, but the best deals come from trading in Samsung phones. You can get $1,000 for a Galaxy S22 Ultra, $1,000 for a Fold 3 or a Fold 2, and even $912 for a Galaxy S21 Ultra. Those are honestly some awesome trade-in deals that really nobody else offers. Like I mentioned before, they also give you a free storage upgrade on your phone, so the 256GB version will cost the same as a 512GB version, and also you'll get the free S Pen case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 if you pre-order. I'm not sure if these deals will still be here after the phone comes out, but Samsung makes it really difficult not to upgrade. If you have a Z Fold 2 or a Galaxy S21 Ultra and you've been thinking about upgrading to the Z Fold 4, honestly, now has never been a better time to make that jump. Samsung is offering a lot of great deals to purchase the Galaxy Z Fold 4 now. And those are the top 5 reasons why you should buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung has really refined the Fold 4, and they've improved on a lot of the weaknesses this phone had. But it doesn't mean that this phone is perfect. In fact, there are some reasons why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I actually made a video on it. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. But what do you guys think of my top 5 list? Do you agree with the reasons why you should buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.